Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming for games step by step. Start by choosing a single genre and a single engine to avoid spreading focus too thin. Learn core programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions through tiny game projects. Practice translating game design into code and iterate quickly. Track progress with simple milestones and celebrate each playable prototype you finish to build momentum and confidence. In this video, I will explain how to learn programming for games step by step. Focus first on clear, reusable code patterns and object-oriented design for characters and game systems. Practice implementing a game loop, handling input, and resolving collisions with simple examples. Use debugging tools and version control to manage changes and fix bugs faster. Build habit of writing and testing one feature at a time to grow steadily and avoid overwhelm. In this video, I will explain how to learn programming for games step by step. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control is great for keeping your workspace tidy while you code and test builds. It even navigates under desks and around cables. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn programming for games step by step. Choose tools that match your goals and platform, and learn their editor workflows and debugging suites. Import simple assets and iterate on gameplay rather than perfect visuals. Test on real devices regularly and profile performance when you add features. Create a checklist for builds, playtests, and fixes to streamline iterations and keep momentum through consistent, small improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.